Hi, right, Matthew is still working rebuilding the Mercedes there in the background. In the meantime, because the interior takes two, I have to wait till he finishes, but in the meantime I'm working on trims. So I'm going to show you some trims I'm working on, and bye. Just watch. Sorry about that. Okay, this is one of the headlamp trims. I'm getting ready to polish them buff. Now at the back, these are original, so you can tell over time they will get rusty inside. So I've just put some more rust converter stuff, which will make it solid and stop any rust from forming in the future. So when Albert's put back together again, you guys know that every piece of metal has been treated from the inside out. Success. Trims are now done. Now move on to the seat belts. Okay, today we're going to mock up the white arches just to see if everything works okay, and then today we'll hope to put all the interior, except for the dashboard, which needs a bit more work, in Albert. Just watch the video. Okay, here's the seats from yesterday after being rubbed down, ready to go in. Obviously the leather cleaning around the edges are still yet to be done. But then there's the wheel arches that are being mocked up, ready, just to see how it looks. The interior at the moment is still bare, but today we're hoping to get that sorted out. This is the latest with Albert. Hope you like it. It'll soon be there. Okay, today we are finally putting the seat belts and interior back together again. As you can see, Albert in the background there. Oops. So we're finally getting there. Keep watching. Yeah, the black belts are in now, all anchored securely. And now we're going to just put the trim in. Seat belts in, trim neck. There you go, guys. What do you think? Is the front put in? The seats are finally in, and they look amazing. There you go. Try and get a good angle for you guys. The back seats with the seat belts all in, the beautiful lining, roof lining. So that's how Albert's interior looks at the moment. Just got the dashboard to do. Well, what a transformation. What a transformation. Okay, we're going to start Albert. You can see him in the background there for the first time. So let's go and bring him to life, yeah, after all this time. So, I don't know if you can see inside that. Okay, here goes. Yay! Still working on the interior, but it's should be finished today. Exhaust. Okay, the engine is looking good but not finished. Our project today, I know it's simple, but it's this water expansion tank. As you can see, it's all stained on the outside, but more so on the inside. So this is going to be covered off, and I'm going to show you how we're going to make that look new again. First thing we have to do is remove the expansion tank from the car. As you can see, I've already cleaned it with some strong vinegar. Soaked it in strong vinegar, but as you can see, there's more to be done, especially around here, because you can't even really see the water level. Okay, this is the result after cleaning, and Matthew recommended me to use shake and vac. Would you believe it? Anyway, what I did was put shake and vac inside here, that's so, not so much, and hot water, and give it a good shake. Did it about 3 times and then rinsed it out, and as you can see, now I can see the water level very clearly. So there you go, shake and vac to clean your reservoir. Like it as the result after cleaning, and Matthew recommended me to use shake and vac. Would you believe it? Anyway, what I did was put shake and vac inside here, that's so, not so much, and hot water, and give it a good shake. Did it about 3 times and then rinsed it out, and as you can see, now I can see the water level very clearly. So there you go, shake and vac to clean your reservoir. Like okay, the expansion tank is now pressurized and filled with the coolant. So that's finished now. As you can see, finished in the tinting. There's the tinting. There you go. So it's a nice light tint. What we're doing today, Matthew is now preparing finishing off the tint. He's showing me exactly what to do, and I shall be doing the other windows. We're now tinting the windows, which look really, really nice. And you see yourself, it looks good. Hope I can do as good a job as Matthew.